Meaning of discontent.
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 Discontent. Discontent refers to a feeling of dissatisfaction with one's current circumstances or situation. It can manifest in various forms, such as frustration, disappointment, or unease. This feeling is often accompanied by a desire for change, whether that be in oneself or in the surrounding environment. When left unaddressed, discontent can lead to negative outcomes such as decreased motivation, increased stress levels, and a sense of hopelessness. However, when channeled constructively, it can be a powerful motivator for personal growth and positive change.